Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 useful English words about family and people.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
Here's how we will practice.
First, he will say the English word.
Then,
I will read one easy example sentence using that word.
listen carefully.
Repeat the word after him.
Then, listen to the sentence.
You can repeat the sentence with me.
Learning words with example sentences helps you remember them faster.
Are you ready?
Let's begin. Family.
My family is very kind.
Father.
My father drinks coffee every morning.
Mother.
My mother makes breakfast every day.
Parent.
Every parent loves their child.
Son.
Their son is 10 years old.
Daughter.
Their daughter likes to sing.
Brother.
My brother plays soccer after school.
Sister.
My sister enjoys reading books.
Grandfather.
My grandfather tells funny stories.
Grandmother.
My grandmother grows beautiful flowers.
Grandparent.
Our grandparents visit us every weekend.
Uncle.
My uncle drives a blue truck.
Aunt.
My aunt makes delicious cakes.
Cousin.
My cousin lives in another city.
Nephew.
My nephew likes toy cars.
Niece.
My niece draws cute pictures.
Baby.
The baby is sleeping peacefully.
Child.
Every child should learn to read.
Adult.
Every adult has responsibilities.
Friend.
My friend always helps me.
Best friend.
She is my best friend.
Neighbor.
Our neighbor has a friendly dog.
Husband.
Her husband works at a hospital.
Wife.
His wife is a great cook.
Boy.
The boy is riding a bicycle.
Girl.
The girl is wearing a red dress.
Man.
The man is waiting for the bus.
Woman.
The woman is reading a newspaper.
Person.
Every person deserves respect.
People.
Many people enjoy the festival.
Teenager.
The teenager studies English every day.
Toddler.
The toddler is learning to walk.
Newborn.
The newborn is sleeping quietly.
Relative.
I invited all my relatives to the party.
Ancestor.
My ancestors came from Vietnam.
Descendant.
She is a descendant of a famous family.
Couple.
The couple walked in the park.
Twins.
The twins look exactly alike. Guest. Our guests arrived early.
Host.
The host welcomed everyone warmly.
Classmate.
My classmate sits next to me.
Roommate.
My roommate keeps the room clean.
Partner.
She is my business partner.
Boss.
My boss is very friendly.
Coworker.
My coworkers are helpful.
Teacher.
Our teacher explains everything clearly.
Student.
The student finished the homework.
Doctor.
The doctor checked my health.
Nurse.
The nurse was very kind.
Patient.
The patient feels much better today.
Police officer.
The police officer helped the lost child.
Firefighter.
The firefighters saved the family.
Driver.
The driver stopped at the red light.
Cook.
The cook prepared a delicious meal.
Chef.
The chef made fresh pasta.
Farmer.
The farmer grows vegetables.
Worker.
The worker arrived early this morning.
Manager.
The manager answered my questions.
Engineer.
The engineer designed a new bridge.
Lawyer.
The lawyer gave good advice.
Dentist.
The dentist cleaned my teeth.
Pilot.
The pilot landed the airplane safely.
Artist.
The artist painted a beautiful picture.
Musician.
The musician played the piano.
Singer.
The singer has a wonderful voice.
Actor.
The actor appeared in a new movie.
Actress.
The actress won an award.
Writer.
The writer published a new book.
Author.
The author signed my book.
Photographer.
The photographer took amazing pictures.
Babysitter.
The babysitter played games with the children.
Leader.
The leader inspired the team.
Member.
She is a member of the club.
Team.
Our team won the game.
Group.
The group met after lunch.
Community.
Our community is very friendly.
Citizen.
Every citizen should obey the law.
Stranger.
Do not talk to strangers.
Visitor.
The visitor arrived from Canada.
Guest speaker.
The guest speaker shared useful ideas.
Bride.
The bride looked beautiful.
Groom.
The groom smiled happily.
Fiancé.
Her fiancé bought a new house.
Fiancé.
His fiancé loves flowers.
Boyfriend.
Her boyfriend gave her a gift.
Girlfriend.
His girlfriend enjoys traveling.
Mother-in-law.
My mother-in-law makes great soup.
Father-in-law.
My father-in-law enjoys fishing.
Brother-in-law.
My brother-in-law lives nearby.
Sister-in-law.
My sister-in-law teaches music.
Stepfather.
My stepfather likes gardening.
Stepmother.
My stepmother is very kind.
Stepson.
Her stepson plays basketball.
Stepdaughter.
His stepdaughter loves dancing.
Godfather.
My godfather gave me a special gift.
Godmother.
My godmother visits every Christmas.
Godson.
My godson is learning to swim.
Goddaughter.
My goddaughter is very cheerful.
Family member.
Every family member helped prepare dinner.
Loved one.
Always spend time with your loved ones.
Excellent job.
You have learned 100 new English words about family and people.
Practice these words every day.
The more you repeat them, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and come back for the next 100 English words.
See you next time.
Goodbye and happy learning!